Hi besties, how are you? I hope you're good. Let us make this cookies and cream cake together. And for the cookies, I'm using Oreo and the cream. Yes, sometimes when they say cookies, people think it's just Oreo. Do you know that you can actually use different kinds of cookies? Do you know that? Yeah. So by cookies, you can use as much as you can, different brands of cookies, and then go ahead and do your thing. So we started by creaming our margarine. We use margarine for this purpose. We creamed, added sugar when it was pale white, added our sugar, and then went ahead to cream. The usual stuff if you're a baker. So this is me adding flour. I already added my baking powder. Yes, so don't worry about the ingredients. I'm going to list them down. So just enjoy the process. Just enjoy the process. I've added egg. Of course, I use the alternate method. The alternate method is add flour, add egg, add flour, add egg, and then the last one is your flour. And when you're done adding, if you have more liquid, you can then go ahead and add. In this case, I'll be adding my milk. So let's just, while you're watching, let's just talk about other things. How are you feeling? Are you good? I use Dano milk here. Dano is so good, and so is Hollandia milk. Are you okay? Do you feel overwhelmed sometimes with this business and hustle life? So this is the cream from the cookie Oreo. I just put it inside, then I will break them. You see now I'm breaking them, then I will pour. So don't throw your cream from your cookies, just put it inside. It gives your cake a very wow taste. Look at this, how creamy that butter is looking. Go ahead and add your flavor. I used vanilla here. So if you ever feel like giving up, please don't. Please don't. You don't know when your breakthrough is coming. So I'm adding my Oreo. You can, like I said, use whatever you want, cookies you want. Just use it. And don't whip for too long. Go ahead. Bring it out. So what is marketing like for you? Where do you post your businesses? Is it just telling people? Do you also post online? Online is such a very huge place. Make sure to leverage it. Your WhatsApp status, your Twitter, your Telegram, TikTok is such a very beautiful place to sell. Also your Facebook, post, wake up. Even when it feels like nothing is happening, my dear, wake up and post. Wake up and post. There are times that I don't even feel like posting, but when I do, I end up making sales that day. So yeah, I'm done. I'm pouring it inside my batter, inside my baking pan. That's the batter now inside my baking pan. This recipe gave me 3 size 6 pan. Yeah, I use 400 gram of flour here. So I'll still write it out. So look at how lush the batter is. Then I'll go ahead and bake at 100 degrees Celsius. Guys, this cake, oh my god, it's my cake. This cake is sweet. It's sweet. When you try the recipe, please remember to tag me and also tell me what recipe you want me to post next. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.